Alright, there it is. The Bapesta number 6. Oh. Looks like we got some more Bape boxes coming.
I don't think they ready. My car got on heavy.
Okay, bet. Well, let me open these bad boys up, rearrange, and I'll catch y'all in a sec. And we back. More than just boxes of Bapestas. Got all kinds of tees. ABC Camel Pink Japanese letter tees, Colors College tees, more college tees, ABC Camel Pink Shark tee, which used to be hot in the streets, now kind of cooled off a bit, still a decent tee though. Oh, let me show you guys these, the Bape Flame Shark Hoodies. Now these ain't new, first time they dropped I think it was 2020, but that first release, instant sellout, so we definitely gonna have a better look at these. And here is the orange colorway. Yeah, these bad boys is pretty clean. Let's look at these first before we hit up the Bapestas. And there it is, the blue Bape Flame Shark Hoodie. So basically it's a graphic of ape heads on fire. That's about it. No, but I do gotta say, the graphic print is pretty good. Strong blue flame color. This shark hoodie actually looks like it's on fire. How about we try this thing on? Well, there it is. What y'all guys think? Not too bad. Now I do want to say though, and it's going to be kind of hard to see, you gotta actually feel it or wear it. The cotton on this hoodie is a lot softer than your average shark hoodie. This is like, what's a good word? Less tight knitted. Kinda has a relaxed fit feel to it. You know, hangs off the body more. You can kinda really see it in the shark hood, especially the neck area. Fat neck ass. But yeah, there goes the blue flame. Let's see what the orange flames look like. And here's the orange colorway. Yeah, this one is pretty clean. I might actually prefer the orange one over the blue one. Let's see what this looking like. Well, there it is. What y'all guys think? Am I lit? Am I fire?
What? Man, shut your bitch. Shut your stupid.
No, but this orange colorway do hit. And here is the back. Yeah. So which one, guys? Blue flames or orange flames? Let me know in the comments. Alright, let's get on to the Bapestas. There it is, the Bapesta number 6s. Coming in 4 colorways, we got the beige, gray, blue, and the red. So these are not far off from the College Pack dropped in 2021. On these new Bapesta number 6s, the whole upper is patent leather. Actually, let's see. Are these it? Yeah, these are it. So the Bapesta number 6s, entire upper, all patent leather. 2021 College Pack, toe cap, eyelet row, star, heel counter, and tab is patent leather, and all of the white panels is synthetic leather. So that's the toe box and both quarters. Here's a little side by side of the toe box, and here is the quarters. One last highlight detail that's difference between the two. Bapesta number 6s, regular white insoles. College Pack Bapestas, color matching insoles. So you know for these, the UNC blue, and if y'all remember the other ones, green, black, and orange. So on the Bapesta number 6s, a little less on the smaller details, but with the all patent leather and the red, blue, gray, and beige colorways, in my opinion, has a much higher wearability. Here's the blue colorway. Man, the blue ones is extra clean. If I had to choose between the strong colorways, the blue colorway or the red colorway, personally I would choose the blue. The color has a nice pop to it, but it can also be kind of in that toned down area as well. The gray colorway kind of reminds me of the cool grays a bit. Personally, these are my favorite out of the 4. can match with any fit, and it's just a simply clean shoe. Compared to the other colorways, it may be too simple, but for your boy, perfect.
Perfect.
I really like the beige as well. It's kind of like in between. Gray more on the simple side, blue and red more on the loud side. A nice in between if you want a little bit of both. You know, the blue and the red colorway do kind of remind me of
FBI, open up!
Yo, Nike, chill. Damn. But then again, we've all give and take at some point. So there goes the Bapes number 6s. Which one would you cop? And as always, all available on my site. Alright, well, it's about time for your boy to clean all this stuff up, organize, all that good stuff. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!